Building strong relationships with your leads is essential to turning them into loyal clients. Today, I'll show you how to automate email sequences in GoHighLevel, helping you nurture leads more effectively and strengthen those relationships effortlessly. So, let's dive in. First, log in to your GoHighLevel account. From the dashboard, go to the Automation tab. This is where allowing you to create workflows that automatically send emails. Next, click Create Workflow, and you'll be given the option to either start from scratch or use one of GoHighLevel's templates. For this tutorial, we'll build from scratch so you can customize it to your business needs. Every email sequence needs a trigger. This is what starts your sequence. Here, set a trigger. This way, your automation will kick off as soon as a new lead enters your system. Now, let's build the sequence. Click Add New Action and select Send Email. You can compose your email directly in GoHighLevel or use pre-designed templates. Now it's time to fill you action details like name, email, subject, and other info. Before activating your workflow, it's important to test it. GoHighLevel allows you to simulate how the sequence will play out. Send a test email to yourself, check that the timing and content are correct, and make any necessary tweaks. Once you're happy with the setup, click Save Action button. And lastly, toggle on the Publish button and click the Save. Your emails will now be sent automatically, keeping your leads engaged. You can track the success of your email campaigns by going to the Reports tab, where GoHighLevel provides detailed analytics on open rates, click-through rates, and more. And that's it. With automated email sequences in GoHighLevel, you can build stronger relationships with your leads. Looking to optimize your workflow and manage leads more efficiently? Start with GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial and be sure to book your kickoff call for a seamless setup. You'll find all the links in the video description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more GoHighLevel tips. Thanks for watching.